हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक अगेन टू दिस अनदर 5 मिनट सेशन जिसके अंदर हम कोई भी एक टॉपिक रिवाइज करने वाले फॉर और साइंस एग्जाम फॉर द बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन बोथ आरबीएसई एंड सीबीएसई पैटर्न। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो आज का टॉपिक है हमारे पास कोऑर्डिनेशन इन ह्यूमन। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को कन्फ्यूजन होता है सारी नर्व्स के अंदर, सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम के, तो इस चार्ट के माध्यम से, इस मीडियम से हम सारी चीज़ें एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर करने वाले इस वीडियो में, तो अच्छे से एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। So we have the coordination in humans. How do our brain and our spinal and everything coordinate in our body, in our organs and everything? How does that happen? So we'll understand everything together, how the coordination, control and everything happens in our body for any reasons. So we will study everything in this topic and in this chapter. So yes, we have the coordination in humans. We have the two type of system in our body. First is nervous system, which is definitely from the name itself, it explains the brain part, that is the how the brain, our brain controls the body functions. So this is the nervous system, and we have the endocrine system. So we have the endocrine system, that means which excrete the hormones and duct with the ducts, that means hormones will be released in the blood directly, which have chemical messenger and have to move to each locations by the blood with the help of blood. So this is endocrine system, where we used hormones as a chemical messenger for our message to deliver from one part to the other part of the body. So we have the nervous system. We have two parts, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. So what does that mean? Central nervous system, CNS, central nervous system, that means the body part completely arranged and all the functions together will be performed by the centrally located body part, that is brain. All the functions are controlled by the brain and the spinal cord. So we have the two parts in the central nervous system, जिसमें हम दो चीज़ों के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं। पहली चीज़ ब्रेन है, दूसरी चीज़ स्पाइनल कोड है। They all are connected centrally to the body. That's why we are referring them as a central nervous system, CNS. Brain have forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. How do we understand the brain part? How do we write? How do we remember each parts of the brain? So we have the three. We have divided the brain parts into three parts, which is first is forebrain. That means also that foremost part. Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. They are the three type of brains. Don't confuse. There is only one brain, but we have divided the parts according to our easiness, according to our study. So we have the brain, forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. And central nervous system also consists of this spinal cord that we have on the back of our body, that is spinal cord. And other than that, we have peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system refers to all the nerves or all the vessels or all the things that we are combining to control and coordinate in our body, which are arranged periphery of the body. So they are known as peripheral nervous system. So we have two type of nerves in this, cranial nerves and they are spinal nerves. So cranium, of course we know that cranium is the bone we refer to as the bone of the brain. So cranium bone is known as in Hindi we can call it as खोपड़ी, जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि ये वाली जो हमारी हड्डी है, this is known as cranium. So all the nerves that are associated with this cranium, with this brain, are known as cranial nerves. So they are the nerves which are originated from the brain. We have spinal nerves. All the nerves that are originated from the spinal cord are known as spinal nerves. So we have the peripheral nervous system, we have central nervous system, and we have explained what are the hormones. They are the chemical messenger. Then what is enzyme? Enzyme is a part of exocrine structures or exocrine system. We have endocrine system, which the hormones are flowing in the ductful part. Ductful means they are having a vessel, they are having the blood where we supply this chemical messenger. But enzymes are consisting from the exocrine part, exocrine system, where enzymes as a biocatalyst will be released throughout different part of the body. They do not require any type of medium or any type of host to go to one part to the another part of the body or another organ of the body. So we have the enzymes. They are biocatalyst. Catalyst, as we all know in chemistry, we used to study a lot of nickel, palladium and whatever. So catalyst is something that move into the reaction and of course change the rate of reaction, whether it increases the reaction or whether it decreases the reaction per unit time. These are catalysts, but they do not, what is the important part about the catalyst? They do not involve in that reaction. They just either increase or decrease. They do not directly involve in a reaction. They just come out as it is. So enzymes are same as the catalyst. So we have used the word bio to refer to the biology part. Biocatalyst, that means enzymes are the structures, enzyme are the things, that enzyme are the matter that move into the chemical reaction or any reaction happening inside our body, they express the reaction, they increase or decrease the rate of reaction without changing in each positions. They will not change their position and they will come out as it is. So yes, that's all for today's session. I hope you guys like these sessions, and yes, do follow and do comment down below how do you feel about these sessions. And I think